Have you ever wondered why it's vital to clean your regulator before diving? What if we told you that it's not just about keeping your equipment looking shiny and new? It's a matter of safety, performance, and longevity. So buckle up and get ready to learn how to properly clean a diving regulator. First off, the importance of cleaning a regulator can't be overstated. It's a critical component of your diving gear that controls the pressure of your breathing gas. A clean regulator ensures smooth operation, reduces the risk of malfunction, and extends its lifespan. If neglected, salt, sand, and other contaminants can build up, causing damage and potentially life-threatening situations underwater. So how do we go about cleaning a regulator? Step 1. Rinse thoroughly. After each dive, rinse your regulator with fresh water. Be sure to protect the first stage's dust cap to prevent water from entering the system. Step 2. Soak it. Fill a basin with warm, not hot water and a mild dish detergent. Submerge the regulator except for the first stage and let it soak for about half an hour. This will help dissolve salt and other residues. Step 3. Clean with a soft brush. Once soaked, use a soft brush to gently clean all the parts of the regulator, paying special attention to the mouthpiece and exhaust valves. Step 4. Rinse again. After cleaning, rinse the regulator thoroughly with fresh water to remove any soap residue. Step 5. Dry it. Shake off excess water and let the regulator dry naturally, away from direct sunlight. It's important to remember that the first stage should always be in a downward position to prevent water from entering the system. Step 6. Store it properly. Once completely dry, store your regulator in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Make sure it's not under any heavy objects that could potentially damage it. So there you have it. A clean regulator is a happy regulator, and a happy regulator makes for a safe and pleasant dive. To recap, remember these key steps and tips for cleaning a regulator. 1. Rinse thoroughly after each dive. 1. Soak in warm water and mild detergent. 1. Clean with a soft brush. 1. Rinse again to remove soap residue. 1. Dry naturally, keeping the first stage downward. 1. Store in a cool, dry place away from sunlight and heavy objects. Keeping your regulator clean is not just about maintenance, it's about safety. So take the time to keep your gear in top shape. Your dives will be all the better for it. Happy diving!